Joel chapter 2, verse 25. I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten, the hopper, the destroyer, and the cutter, my great army which I sent among you. Congratulations on making it to the end of the video and for memorizing scripture. And if you weren't able to fully memorize it, don't worry. You can either restart the video or you can click part of the status bar down below to start from another part of the video. And as always, hit that like button so we know that you liked the video, as well as letting YouTube know that you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. You can do so by hitting the red subscribe button down below, or clicking the logo right beside me. Thanks again for memorizing, and may the word of Christ dwell in you richly.